Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy French toast casserole. This method simplifies breakfast prep, allowing you to enjoy a delicious meal with minimal morning effort. We'll start by preparing the bread, then mix a simple custard, and finally assemble the casserole for an overnight soak. This makes for a perfect weekend brunch or a special holiday breakfast. Get ready for a truly delightful and stress-free cooking experience. Once your bread has soaked up all that delicious custard, it's time to add the finishing touches before baking. A simple streusel topping adds a wonderful texture and sweetness. Just combine flour, brown sugar, and cold butter, then crumble it over the casserole. Bake it until golden brown and set, usually around 45 to 50 minutes. Your kitchen will smell amazing and breakfast will be almost ready. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give this video a like. And speaking of easy mornings, imagine waking up to a clean kitchen without lifting a finger. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making cleanup a breeze. Find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. After baking, allow your French toast casserole to cool slightly before serving. This helps it set and makes for cleaner slices. You can elevate your presentation and flavor with various toppings. Fresh berries add a pop of color and tartness, while a dusting of powdered sugar or a generous drizzle of warm maple syrup completes the classic experience. Enjoy this comforting dish with family and friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.